Welcome everyone. Here we go again. As is my new tradition, I'm gonna jump right in and get going on this stuff. Okay, and then these. Here. Pretty straightforward on this part, I'd say. I think it's complicated here in a few steps. Looking ahead, it doesn't look like I'm going to get to mount all this stuff onto this, what I'm calling the superstructure yet. I might get to see it today, but I don't think y'all will. I don't think it'll be in this video. But it should be on the next video, I'm almost certain. This is going to be a lot of getting ready for that, I think. Oh. Yeah. Alright. And a quick shout out to those who've been asking me questions and making comments. Appreciate everybody taking the time to watch, and I always will do my best to answer any questions. I know sometimes just saying be patient and take your time isn't very helpful, but that's really what it all boils down to. Let's see. Okay. You know, sometimes you just gotta walk away and let things settle down so you can give it another shot, really. That seems, I guess it's not that bad once it gets okay. That one, I'm sure we'll have to loosen that up, as or it may loosen up by itself. Just all right. But, okay. That was a snug fit on that one. Screws on there. All right. Here we go. Okay, like this. Ugh. Ugh. Hate it when they make that sound. Let's go. Yeah, I'll have to spread that out a little bit. All right. Well, I thought that would take a little bit longer than that, but the next step does look to be fairly complicated, so I'm going to let it stop there. You have lots of pieces in that one, but I can do the. I should have done this on the last one, but I can do it. I thought to do it after the camera turned off. I can do a demo on this. Drop in there and just boop, boop. And I imagine it lands on something over here or something. I don't know. I'm not sure. I still don't know how it's all going to go together, how the marbles are going to run. I have not looked ahead or looked at any other videos of one of these. Anyway, that's going to be it for tonight, guys. Today, whenever you watch this. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another, and I'll see you next time. Bye.